I'm back with another video. Today we are going to be diving into a Sugarpill haul. I got a lot of new Sugarpill products, and the start of the show is this Fun Size palette that I used to create this eye look. So if you guys want to see how to create this look, then keep watching and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so let's dive into this Sugarpill haul. I got a really nice collection of things from them. So let's get started and I'll show you guys what I got. First up is the Fun Size palette. This is a really colorful, like neon pastel palette. I'm probably most excited to try this, and I think I'm going to be using this on my eyes today. Then I got some lashes. This is my favorite style of Sugarpill lash. This is called Precious, and I love how they're not super dense. They're like spiky lashes, so if you've done a lot of eyelid work and you have like colors down there that you really don't want to be covering up, these are really nice so that the like shadow colors still peek through. Then I got these are called Porcelain, and these are like, these almost remind me of like 60s style lashes or even like baby doll lashes. And these, I like wearing these on top, but they're also really cool to pop on your bottom lash line if you're going for kind of like a fun mod sort of look. And then I also got this set right here called Lullaby, and these are really full fluffy lashes. I really love lashes that are like shorter at the inner corner and kind of fan outwards at the outer corner. I find that they make your eyes look a little bit more cat-like and draw the line of your eyes up, which I like. So yeah, those will be fun. I also got two just individual pan colors, and I will show you. This is my Sugarpill Pro palette here. So these, I went ahead and reorganized this today too, so I love the color layout in this. But the two new colors that I got are this one right here, which is Butter Cupcake. It's just a really vibrant, bright, true yellow color. And then I also got this color right here, which is like an electric neon green color called Arsenic. It almost reminds me of like the color of absinthe or something, or like acid green. So I'm really excited to try those out, but I think I might hold off and just, I might use this whole palette in another tutorial later on actually, because I'm really loving this palette right now. And then I also got a handful of lipsticks, which I will be swatching in this video for you guys. So stay tuned to see what colors I got. And then lastly, this cute little sticker. I love these. I love putting these on like my suitcases and my day planners and stuff. They're so cute. Okay, so I'm thinking today's tutorial is going to be really easy. I think I want to just use like one or two colors out of this palette. I am really obsessing over this shade right here, this like periwinkle blue color called 8-bit. It just looks so perfect. Like it's kind of blue, it's kind of purple. I want this as like just a wash like all over my eyes, like top, bottom, just like all over the place. So I'm going to be going in with my like dome brush. It's kind of a stiffer brush. And I want to just get this brush saturated in that 8-bit color. And I'm just going to press this down on my eye. Oh, you know what? I have to take, I'm like, why is it so foggy? Is my eyesight going bad? Everything looks so foggy. No, I have to take the plastic off the mirror. Okay, that's much more clear. Okay, so I'm just gonna press this into my eyelid. Ooh, wow, okay. So look at that, like the color, I just did two little presses with it. The color saturation on this is so good, which if any of you guys have used Sugarpill before, you'll know their quality is so amazing. They have such pigmented eyeshadows. They're definitely one of my favorite makeup brands. And I'm just kind of pressing this up into my socket line. So I just want to get like a really solid base color of this going. And I'm just bringing this up into my crease. I'm going to blend it out in a second. I just kind of want to like press it in for now just to get the color as vibrant as I can and get it like stamped down. It is so pretty. I love this color. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of blend out those edges. And I'm probably just gonna go back and forth with these two and just continue to like pack down the color and then blend it out. All right, next I'm gonna be going in with Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner pencil in the color Deja Blue, and I'm just going to run that underneath my lower lash line and smudge it out a little bit. Now I'm going back in with my dome brush, back into that 8-bit color, and I'm just gonna run this along my lower lash line. And that eyeliner that we just put down will help the color to stick so it won't brush away. It just makes it a little bit more vibrant. Now I want to drag some of this 8-bit color up into this area. It's like the little hollow right underneath your brow, like where your brow starts. I've really been loving dragging colors up, like really far up to my brow bone. I just think it adds like a really cool pop of color. I also want to bring this into my inner corner as well. Okay, a little trick that I like to do, if you feel like you've gone a little bit overboard with your eyeshadow, you can go in with your face powder, and I go in with like a fluffy brush, and I just knock off a lot of the product here. I just go around the edges with this, and it almost works like an eraser. So you can kind of tone down the edges. It can also be really nice to blend with too if you just really can't get a color to kind of blend out. This is a really easy thing to do. Just go around the edges really lightly with this and just kind of buff it out a bit. Okay, so next up I'm going to do some black winged eyeliner. And I want to use my liquid eyeliner, but I'm going to go in with my black pencil eyeliner first, just to kind of map out where I want the wing to go. It's just like a little cheat sheet. I find that this really helps me to get my wings even, because the black pencil is a lot more forgiving than the liquid eyeliner brush is. Okay, so once I have those lines down, just kind of mapping out the angle that I want, I'm gonna go in with my black liquid liner and just kind of finish drawing in that wing. And I'm using NYX's Epic Ink Liner today to do that. I've also just been focusing the liner on the outer half of my eye. I find that that has really been helping to like open up my eyes a lot more. I am going to be popping on some fake lashes today, so I am going to tap a really super thin line along my lash line on the inner corner. But if I wasn't wearing false eyelashes, I really wouldn't even draw that in. So I'm going to draw the other wing on and make sure that they're even, and then I'll go back in and draw the inner line. Okay, so I hope you guys can see what I was talking about with that liner. I just pressed along right at the base of my lash line, trying to make like the thinnest line ever, and then connecting it to that outer wing that I've made. All right, so next up I'm going to pop a coat of mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and I'm using Milk's Kush mascara today. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes. I'm going to use those Precious lashes that I showed you guys earlier. Okay, then I have my House of Lashes clear glue. This is my favorite eyelash glue. I just think it works better than any of the other brands that I've tried. Alright, so the lashes are on. Next, I want to go in with some highlight, and I'm going to be going into this Pro palette and using this color right here, which actually isn't Sugarpill. It is Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Thunderstruck. So I'm going to be using this as a highlighter today, just on the tops of my cheeks. Okay, now for lipsticks today, I have 5 here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all of these and tell you guys what I think. I've got 4 liquid lipsticks and 1 tube lipstick. So let's go ahead and give these a shot. I think I'm going to go from lightest to darkest just so that I don't stain my lips too bad early on. So this first one that I have here is called Crumpet. Okay, this looks like a rosy neutral matte. Yeah, this looks pretty wearable actually. Let's check it out. Oh, I forgot about that. So if you guys have never tried Sugarpill before, their liquid lipstick scent is creamsicle and it smells so good. Oh my god. So I really like this color a lot. It actually reminds me a lot of my very favorite liquid lipstick color, which is Fenty Uncuffed. I think this is actually a dupe for this color. It looks almost identical in the bottle, if you guys can see that. The colors are like, yeah, like pretty spot on. So this is definitely going to get a lot of use. Okay, next up I'm going to try the color Trifle. And, ooh, okay, this looks like another nude shade, but it looks like a lavender mauve-y nude. Yeah, maybe a little bit more like rose mauve than the last one. Wow, so this is a lot more pink than I thought it was going to be. It's kind of like a dusty mauve pink color. To me, when I looked at it in the tube, I thought it would come off as a lot darker. I do really like this color. I think I was just expecting for it to be a little bit different than what it looks like. Okay, next up is the color that I was the most excited to get, and this one is called Dropout. It is like a moss green shade with, it looks like maybe some like gold micro glitter in it. It's this really interesting, almost army green. So I can't wait to try this out. Okay, I love this shade. It is so unique. I love the micro glitter that's in it. It does have like, yeah, definitely gold micro glitter in this. It's such an unusual, neat color, and I think this could look really nice with like a mustard eye or a more like grungy, subdued eye. I don't think that it really looks great with the blue eyeshadow that I have on right now. I think this is kind of like a little bit of like a mixed up look, but just on its own, I really love this lipstick, and I can't wait to try it out with some other looks. Okay, the next shade that we have is called Vertigo, and this looks like it's going to be a dusty deep purple, maybe even with like a little bit of grayish in it. And I believe that this one also has like a purple micro glitter in it. Wow, so I love this one a lot more than I thought that I was going to. I thought that it was going to be more purple, but it actually is leaning more towards a grayish to me. It's like a purpley grayish, which is really interesting. It makes it a lot different than the other grayish lipsticks that I own. But this is really cool. And this one, oh yeah, it also has a micro glitter in it. I notice it a lot more when I press my lips together. It's like a violet blue iridescence that's coming out of it. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera or not, but this is a very unique, very cool color. And wow. It may actually be my favorite out of the bunch. Okay, the next one that I have is the only tube lipstick that I have here. It is in the shade Shiver, and it looks like it's going to be a metallic navy blue. I also have to say that Sugarpill has the cutest packaging ever. Their tube lipsticks, I mean, look at this. This is so cute. I mean, this is the cutest lipstick bullet that I've ever seen. I can't even think of a cuter one out there. I mean, these literally look like a little pill, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but the pink and black are completely covered in glitter too. I mean, this is just like, don't you just want to carry this around in your purse and just open it up and take it out and show everybody? It's so cute. All right, let's check out the color. Okay, so yeah, it looks like a purpley bluish metallic shade. So let's pop it on and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is a really pretty color. It's somewhere in between like a purple and a blue. Maybe on the lips it's reading a little bit more blue, and in the tube it looks a little bit more purple. It also has a nice metallic sheen in it, but it's not like glittery. There's no chunks of glitter. I think that this is the first time that I've ever tried out one of Sugarpill's tube lipsticks too, and I really like the consistency. It has a nice, it's like creamy but stiff. It is definitely drier too, so it's not creamy in the way that you feel like it's gonna rub and slide all over your face. It does feel like it's gonna stay put, and but it's still creamy enough that it's like soft and moisturizing feeling, so it's not uncomfortable, which is also nice. Alright, so I went ahead and popped back on that Crumpet color. I just feel like it went the best with the eyeshadow combination today, and I really do love this shade also. So let's go ahead and recap what happened today. So Sugarpill, like I said, is definitely one of my favorite brands. They are cruelty free and vegan, so I mean, amazing brand and company to support. Also run by a woman, which is so cool. So we used the Sugarpill Fun Size palette today. This again is what it looks like. I think this palette is such a cool color story. I mean, we only just used this one shade right here, but I really can't wait to dip into all of these. I think I'm gonna be able to create so many cool looks with this. I really can't wait to explore this more. I'm really happy with all of the lipstick colors. I think I'll get a lot of use out of all of them. So anyways, I think that that is gonna wrap up today's look. If you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to list those down below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Sargent if you want. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.